Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Flodesk, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you delete or remove a subscriber from your Flodesk? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a subscriber in your Flodesk anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes when you email your subscribers, sometimes they write back with a nasty message, so maybe it's better to go aahead and delete them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove a subscriber, here on the top, you're going to click on Audience. Once you do that, you're going to see all the contacts you have in Flodesk. So just scroll through until you find the subscriber that you want to delete. So for example, this one. And there's actually two different ways you can do this. The quick and easy way is you just hover over their name and you're going to see this box pop up here to the left. Once you click on the box, you're going to see these buttons pop up here from the top, and you can click on Delete. Another way you can do this is you can go ahead and just click onto the name. Once you click on the name, it's going to open up that subscriber's information, and then up to the top right, you're going to see these three dots. Once you click on there, you can go ahead and click on delete. Either way, you're going to need to confirm that you want to delete that subscriber from your Flodesk by completing this box right here. So you're going to click in there and then just type in delete. All right, once you've typed it in, you're going to see this red button. Go ahead and confirm there. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to delete or remove a subscriber from your Flodesk, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.